Welcome to N.yahaya online math class. In this video, we are going to be looking at the solution to this problem that I posted on my Facebook page. The question says, when a student scores 30% marks, he fails by 25 marks. But when he scores 45% marks, he gets 65 marks more than the passing marks. Now, what is the passing mark? That's what the question is asking us. So we don't know the total marks, and we also don't know the passing mark. So let's now call our total marks. Let's call it T, and the passing mark we call it P. So total marks is equal to T. The passing mark we call it P, because they are all unknown to us. So we now go back to our question. When a student scores 30% marks, meaning when he scores 30% of the total marks, that is to say 30%, it means 30 over 100 times the total mark, meaning 30 times T. So we now write 30 T will give us 30 times T will give us 30T over 100. He will get 25 marks less than the passing mark. That is mean, because he will fail by 25 marks. So he will get the passing mark minus 25. So we now come down and put over 1 here, we cross multiply here. 30T times 1 will give us 30T equal to 100 times the whole of this expression, meaning 100 times P, which is 100P, minus 100 times 25. You now write your 25. These two zeros, you bring them here. Now we'll get 2,500. That's equation 1. The second statement says when he scores 45% marks, meaning 45% of the total marks. So we now write 45% times the total marks. He will get 65 marks more than the passing mark. So here's going to be 45T over 100 equal to P. He will get the passing mark, but 65% more than the passing mark. So that's mean more than, it means addition. So we add 65 here. We do the same thing here. Then we cross multiply. 45T times 1 will give us 45T equal to 100 times P, as we did in the first equation. 100 times P will give us 100P plus 65 times 100, or 100 times 65. You write your 65 here. The two zeros, you bring them here. You form your equation 2. What do we do next? Is to combine the two equations, equation 2 and equation 1. So let's bring our equation 1 here. 30T equal to 100P minus 2,500. That is the equation 1. What do? We subtract, because we want to eliminate P here. So we have to subtract, meaning 45T minus 30T, we will get 15T equal to 100P minus 100P. There we go, becomes 0. So the next thing is 6,500 minus 2,500. So minus will become plus. So 2,500. Let's add them and see. 0 come down, 0 come down. 5 plus 5 will give us 10. So we write 0, keep 1. 1 plus 6, 7. 7 plus 2, 9. So it's now 9,000. We are looking for T. We divide through by 15. 15, we cancel 15. We are left with T. We are dividing 9,000 by 15. We will get 600. So our total marks is now 600. So when a student scores 30% of the total marks, he will get, or he will fail by 25 marks. So let's now find the 30% of the total marks. 30 over 100 times the total marks. Our total marks is now 600. So over 1. These two zeros will cancel these two zeros. We are left with 30 times 6. 30 times 6 will give us 180. So 180 here. So when he gets this, he will fail by 25 marks. So for us to get the 20, that means he failed it by 25 marks. So that means the passing mark will be 180 plus the 25, because if he gets this, that means he failed by 25 marks. So if he fails by 25 marks, so for us to get the passing mark, we have to add the 25. So now say plus 25. 180 plus 25. 180 plus 25. 180 plus 20 will give us 200. 200 plus the remaining 5 will give us 205. So the passing mark is now 205. So 205 is the passing mark, as the question says we should.